Hello everyone! Today I will show you a very easy and tasty pasta recipe. This recipe is very quick to make, so do give it a try. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. To watch the videos in Hindi, click on the link in the description box below. I have boiled 350 gram of penne pasta. You can use any pasta that you like. You will also need the pizza pasta sauce that I made in the last video. I usually make and freeze this sauce. That way, when you want to eat pasta, you can easily make this recipe in 10 minutes. In a pot or pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add 1 tablespoon of garlic paste or use freshly chopped garlic. Saute for a few seconds. I'm adding 300 to 400 grams of boneless chicken. If you're a vegetarian, skip this step and add the vegetables of your choice. Once the chicken is almost done, add 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding 1 red bell pepper. You can also use green bell pepper or mushrooms. Saute for a minute or two. Adding half tablespoon of chilli flakes. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs. Mix everything together. Add 2 cups of the pizza pasta sauce. The recipe of this sauce is in the description box below. Add 1 vegetable stock cube. This is available in a lot of different brands such as Knorr. This is what I'm using. Adding 1 cup of water. Mix everything together. Adding 1 cup of spinach leaves. Cook for another 2 minutes or so. Adding half cup of shredded cheese. Lastly, adding the boiled pasta. And our delicious pasta is ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel.